Good evening. Here I am, just coming into my kitchen, and I'm going to cook me some burritos for my supper. So I will okay, I'm going to do this one-handed mostly, get them out of the, I don't know what kind these are because I'm not able to see, so I'm just going to wing it here and hope for the best. Okay. And of course my text messages, so just bear with me. And I'm going to put them there and get me a plate out of the cupboard. And I'm going to put this down here in front of the microwave. And okay, let's see how this is going to work here. Please excuse me while I, okay, this might work like this. Okay. Just bear with me here while I position things here. This is probably not the most professional looking job. Close up of the plate. These are the burritos. Can't hope this camera doesn't fall forward, but if it does, my apologies. Now I know I have bean and cheese and mild beef and beans, so this is going to be one or the other or some of both, or okay. If you're a long-time subscriber to my YouTube channel, I may have a video. This is like about, oh gosh, probably years and years ago, where I'm cooking some burritos in an apartment. Okay, so we'll deal with this. Just a second. Okay, my apologies for the, because I don't know how to do clips. Okay, so we're going to put these in the microwave, make sure everything's clear, no obstructions. Alright, get these put in. Okay. Okay, so, okay, the burrito's in, and these calls for about 1.5 minutes. I do this for 1 minute and 35 seconds and turn them over and cook them again. So we'll just do that here. And I apologize if it's not lining quite up right, but I'm doing my best here when you don't see. Okay, so we hit the start like that. Okay, and those will cook, and I'll take this to the garbage. Let them cook over there. I don't think you need to see the trash can. But anyway, this is my kitchen, and it is just 7:30 now as I start. Well, actually it's been going for a little bit, so I know this is a little bit different from what the videos you've usually seen on my YouTube channel. But yeah, I thought I'd do something a little bit different than just always walking outside and bus videos and stuff like that. So, and again, my apologies if I'm not quite on center with this, but anyway, it's not about the visual, it's about the content. So, see how much time is on the timer. And yeah, this is my toaster oven up here that I sometimes do sandwiches and stuff in. And so we'll just wait for these to finish. Okay, any day. That's always the thing. When you're waiting for it to go, you're waiting to go. Okay, so now we open the microwave, and I'm going to flip these over. Okay, apologies if the door gets in the way. Sorry if the microwave is a little bit messy. I think it's due for a good wipe down. So we do this. do about another 1 minute and 35 seconds. Okay, while we're just waiting on that, I'm going to have a can of pop, can of Coke. It's actually for my pizza. Yeah, my refrigerator. Here it is, my refrigerator with the Coke. Set this down here. And alright, so once this is done, we'll set them down, let them cool, and I will stop the camera, and I will, at that point, eat my meal. Which is, you want to call that a couple burritos. I had earlier today, I ate enough, so I'm not really too hungry, so. Righto. So anytime now. Okay, just almost more time left on the timer. Alright, now to remove, take them out. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. So now the burritos are going to sit for a while, let them sit a minute or two to cool, and there you have it. Alright, so, alright, this may be not the most exciting, keeping you on the edge of your seat video, but anyway, that's my chow. So, anyway, have a good rest of the day all. Thanks for watching.